Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna see how you can use command prompt effectively on your Windows laptop. So let's get started. One of the most useful thing you can do on command prompt is encrypt your files. Everyone wants to keep their files safe that cannot be accessible by anyone else. So to encrypt that file, just go to command prompt, change your directory to the folder which you want to encrypt. Then type cipher/e. That's it. Your file is encrypted now. The second most useful command trick is to use function keys. There are lots of these keys that can improve your command experience. Here's the list. Like you can copy the template into the current command line by pressing F5 key. You can delete all commands stored in memory for current history buffer by Alt F7 and many more like that. Change the prompt text in command prompt. When you first open this command prompt, you will see some boring prompt like c/user/ and whatever your current directory is. But you can customize it by your own style. For that, type prompt and then whatever prompt you want to see, like Madhav @Mobitron. But don't forget to add $G. Now this is your default prompt. You will get this prompt whenever you open this command line. The number 4 is you can run multiple commands in one line. If you feel you need to run two commands in one after another, then you can do it just by simply typing first like ipconfig and write to end, and then the second command like mspaint. Both can run at the same time. Number 5. You can see all the PC drivers that are running on your laptop. So for that, you just have to type driver query. So that's your drivers which are running in your PC. Number 6. You can create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your PC by command prompt. For that, you have to launch command prompt and then type netsh vlan set hosted network mode equal to allow ssid equal to whatever name you want to write, like Mobitron123, and key is equal to your password 123. Now just hit enter, and to broadcast it, just type netsh vlan start hosted network and press enter. Now the hotspot is enabled and you can broadcast it in any other devices. You might be knowing that DNS plays an important role when you are connected to the internet. Your computer usually maintains a local DNS resolver cache, but sometimes it may get corrupted and then the site cannot be accessed even if it's reloaded. So for that, you just have to type ipconfig/flush DNS. That's it. Your cache file is cleared now. In command prompt, there is a tool which scans Windows system files and looks for the problems. If any file is missing or corrupted, it will automatically fix it. To run that command, just type sfc/scan now. Using command prompt, you can see your laptop's battery health. For that, you have to type power cfg/energy. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.